I picked up the Sunjo SPX3000 on Amazon. It was on sale for 150 bucks. It's usually like 200, it says. So I needed an alternative to the giant 3 horse, whatever 5 horse we have that's gas, just kind of clunky, and sometimes just want to use something smaller. So I figured this would be good for that, and picked up a foam cannon to try to wash our cars. So let's take a look at what we got. Comes with 5 different nozzles. This one has 2 tanks for detergents, it says, so you can, I guess, dial which side you want. So you can put soap in there, 2 different kinds for some reason. Interesting. Decent looking hose. Nice long power cable with the brick there. And the gun. So let's go ahead and we'll get this thing unpacked, put together, and see how it looks. Looks like this just gonna slide on here. And then it comes with screws to put that on, that they're back here. Our hose adapter goes in the front here, which it's got a symbol. I'll show you guys. And that has a washer in there. Get our hose adapter threaded on there. You shouldn't have to use pliers because it has a gasket or the O-ring in there. You got 1, 2, 3, and 4 screws that go there. The detergent tube, actually, there's a barbed fitting. You're just going to push that on, and that's going to feed it to the system. Got your barbed fitting there. There we go, got that on. Side holder slides in, and then a screw. So we got our convenient nozzles here. If you got some grease for O-rings, put it on there. It'll help you get that, push that in. Get that threaded down there. I'm just doing everything hand tight because it all has O-rings and gaskets. Makes it easier to get off later. There we go. Let's get this thing outside and see what it can do. Alright, so had a little wardrobe change here to get ready to test out the pressure washer washing the truck. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use a foam cannon today, so we'll see how it does with that. I'm really happy with this purchase. It's done everything I wanted to so far. You saw me using a foam cannon with it and it did wonderful. The only thing I would say is the hose is, for me, is a little short. I wouldn't mind having a longer hose, which you can replace, but it seems plenty long for most things. Just when I have a longer car, so I couldn't get all the way around, as you can see, with this hose. So if you have a truck, maybe you would look into getting a longer hose. And the storage for the cord is the only other thing. I wish it had a second little hook to wrap it around, because it kind of just flops around. So minor things. I don't travel with it that much, so really no big deal. But overall, I think it's a great product and I'm happy with it. Hopefully this helped you. Thanks for watching.